Hello and welcome to Foodies 101. Here I will be presenting you with four different restaurants of my favorite choice. They are definitely my top four restaurants that I recommend everybody to go in at least once in your lifetime. Give it a try. The very first one is the Cheesecake Factory. This is definitely a luxurious restaurant where you want to take your loved ones, birthday, special occasions, celebrations. This is definitely the restaurant to take your loved ones or even friends. My favorite main course would consist of the chicken Madeira, chicken Parmigiano, chicken Villaggio, four cheese, ziti, I believe, and the New Orleans pasta. They are all very delicious, all very different, even though there's a lot of chicken right now in the screen, but it is very delicious. And as you could tell, I'm a chicken person, so these are definitely a must try. We can't forget about appetizers and desserts. For appetizers, I definitely recommend the tamales, and I also recommend the avocado egg rolls. They are definitely a great start of your dinner, and they definitely get you pumped with the flavor. With the flavors. Also, dessert, you can't forget about the Reese's, and then also the Adams cheesecake and the pineapple upside down. They're actually one of my very, very, very top desserts. The second restaurant that we will be talking about, it's going to be Holland Race. If you haven't had it, this is located in Los Angeles. And it is a very, very delicious and spicy Nashville style burgers. They come with like a coleslaw with vinegar, and then they have their special sauce. Their special sauce is actually very delicious. I also recommend you guys trying the hot. It is very spicy. You do have a little bit of booger, so if you cannot take spicy, then just do the regular because it is actually very spicy. Their fries are very nice and crunchy, but in the inside they're very soft, so very delicious. Our third restaurant is, sorry if I pronounced it wrong, Dayakukuya. It is the best ramen I've ever had. This is also a restaurant located in Los Angeles. You do have to go a little bit earlier because it's quite a wait. The last time I went, it was a half an hour wait. Definitely worth it. They have the ramen bowls. They have a teriyaki bowl, white rice. They also have the fried rice, which comes with egg and then a couple of veggies. And they also have miso soups. They have a lot of endless choices of Japanese. It is very, very, very delicious. You could also ask for your ramen to be spicy or non-spicy. Definitely a must try. Last but not least would be a dessert, which is Voodoo Donuts. I always recommend everybody to go to try these. These are very, very cute for the kids if you have any kids, and if you don't, it's also very cute to take a special someone there because they have such creative choices. My personal favorite one is the peanut butter and jelly one. It is super, super good. I've always loved peanut butter, so it has made my donut dream come true. And without further ado, this is my very last slide. I hope you guys enjoyed my foodie blog, and definitely let me know what I could improve in. If you guys want to hear a little bit of part 2 or anything like that, please let me know, and I can't wait to see all of you guys' presentations. Have a wonderful day.